bakery friends. I'm Dave Hippenbecker, Regional Sales Manager for Fritsch Dough Processing, a Multivac Group company. At Multivac, we're proud to offer complete solutions for your bakery operations. From world-class dough processing with our Fritsch technology, to cutting-edge packaging, labeling, and inspection systems through our Multivac Packaging Group. Whether you're shaping, baking, or packaging, we have you covered. This year, we're taking our bakery equipment design to the very next level. We're excited to introduce our newest innovation to our newly designed hygienic washdown clean in place production lines. This would be our new progressive pastry line. This line is designed specifically for production flexibility and has a high focus on hygiene, cleanability, and simple operator-friendly controls. Not only is this clean in place and washdown capable, but its modular design provides flexibility to meet your customers' ever-changing needs now and in the future. With our new innovative tool design, product changeovers are completed in a matter of minutes, not hours. We've taken the suggestions that we've gotten from all our customers and we've incorporated them into easy-to-use features for our new line and controls design. You'll also see how our Multivac flexible packaging solutions can preserve product freshness and extend shelf life while streamlining your day-to-day production process. And when we include our Multivac Smart Services, you'll have real-time production data at your fingertips. This will help you minimize downtime so you can realize world-class performance like never before. Oh, by the way, don't forget to ask us how we can cool and package your products directly out of the oven in less than a minute without the need for spirals or cooling tunnels. We have a brand new award-winning technology for packaging and cooling your products. So if you want to experience this for yourself, schedule a meeting with us or just stop by our booth, 2901. We'll greet you with fresh coffee and croissants every morning, or if you're not a morning person, we welcome you to stop by for a fresh Bavarian pretzel and a beer in the afternoon.